In this video tutorial, we will see how to print number square pattern. Let's move to Visual Studio Code and execute this pattern. We can see here in this pattern every line contains 6 numbers. Along with every number, a single space character is appended. So here the ones are decreasing line by line and twos are increasing line by line. So let's type code to execute this pattern. Declare and initialize a variable I with 0. We are going to use while loop here while I less than 6. 6 is nothing but the required number of iterations. At the end of every iteration, we are going to increase I value by 1. So here I value will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. At the end of 6th iteration, I value will become 6. 6 less than 6. Condition false. And iteration is going to stop here. For this type of pattern, we are going to use a nested while loop. So nested while with a variable j less than 6, and at the end of every iteration increase j value by 1. So let's print one. Separate the 1 with a single space character. After printing a single line, we want to begin from the new line. For that, we are going to use this print method outside this nested while loop. Save the file, run the file in the terminal py_square.py. Now to print 2, we are going to use a variable L with 0 and a list k. Append L value inside this. If j value is available inside the list, then print 2. Separate the 2 with single space character. Else print 1. So here outside this nested while loop, increase a value by 1 and append a value inside list. Save the file, run the file in the terminal py_square.py. This is our expected number square pattern. In the next video tutorial, we will see another type of number square pattern.